Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today, we will show you the collection of repurposed wood to riches design ideas to build a profitable, sustainable woodwork craft business. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Repurposing discarded wood into a thriving woodwork craft business begins with a mindset shift that sees value where others see waste, and this shift becomes the foundation of a sustainable and profitable creative journey. In many communities, reclaimed timber appears everywhere, from old pallets and broken furniture to construction offcuts and fallen trees, quietly waiting for someone with vision to give it new life. The journey from repurposed wood to riches is not about shortcuts or trends, but about patience, creativity, and respect for material. When an artisan commits to working with reclaimed wood, they are choosing a path that blends environmental responsibility with artistic opportunity, creating products that resonate deeply with modern customers who crave authenticity, sustainability, and story in the objects they bring into their homes. This alignment of values is what transforms a simple woodwork practice into a business model capable of long-term growth and meaningful income. The transformation begins with understanding the material itself and learning how to work with its imperfections rather than against them. Reclaimed wood carries history in every grain, mark, and variation, and these details become the very elements that elevate handmade items above mass-produced decor. Instead of hiding flaws, the eco-conscious maker highlights them, allowing cracks, nail holes, and weathered textures to tell a story of resilience and renewal. This approach not only reduces waste, but also creates a strong emotional connection between the finished piece and the buyer. Customers increasingly seek items that feel personal and honest, and reclaimed wood offers exactly that. By thoughtfully shaping and refining discarded timber, the maker turns raw, overlooked materials into high-value decor that feels intentional, artistic, and deeply human. Building a sustainable woodwork craft business from repurposed wood also requires an innovative design mindset that balances creativity with market awareness. While artistic expression drives the process, understanding how modern interiors function ensures the creations remain relevant and desirable. Clean lines, functional forms, and adaptable designs allow reclaimed wood pieces to fit seamlessly into contemporary homes while still retaining their rustic charm. This blend of old and new appeals to a wide audience, from minimalists seeking warmth to design lovers drawn to statement pieces. Through experimentation and refinement, the maker develops a signature style that sets their work apart, creating a recognizable brand identity rooted in sustainability and craftsmanship. This identity becomes a powerful asset, attracting customers who return not just for the product, but for the philosophy behind it. Sustainable practices are woven into every stage of this journey, reinforcing the credibility and longevity of the business. By sourcing wood responsibly and minimizing waste during production, the artisan builds a workflow that respects both the environment and the material. This efficiency reduces costs while strengthening the ethical foundation of the brand. Modern customers are increasingly informed and selective, often seeking proof that their purchases support responsible practices. When a business openly shares its commitment to sustainability, it builds trust and transparency, which are essential for lasting customer relationships. Over time, this trust translates into loyalty, referrals, and a steady demand that supports consistent income growth. The economic potential of a repurposed wood craft business lies in its ability to transform low-cost materials into premium products through design and storytelling. Reclaimed timber is often inexpensive or freely available, allowing the maker to invest more in craftsmanship and creativity rather than raw materials. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from, so drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational transformations and creative builds waiting for you. This margin creates room for profitability even at smaller scales, making it an accessible option for aspiring entrepreneurs. Each handcrafted item becomes a unique offering, enabling pricing that reflects its individuality and labor rather than competing with mass-produced alternatives. Customers are willing to pay for pieces that feel exclusive and meaningful, especially when they understand the journey from discarded wood to finished decor. This perception of value is key to turning woodwork projects into a reliable income stream. The journey also fosters personal growth and fulfillment, which play a crucial role in sustaining a creative business. Working with reclaimed wood encourages patience, problem-solving, and adaptability, as no two pieces are ever the same. This constant variation keeps the creative process engaging and prevents burnout, allowing the maker to evolve alongside their craft. The satisfaction of transforming waste into beauty reinforces a sense of purpose that goes beyond financial gain. This passion often becomes visible in the work itself, making the finished pieces more compelling and authentic. Customers sense this care and intention, which strengthens their emotional connection to the brand and enhances its reputation. As the business grows, Repurposed Wood creations open doors to broader opportunities, from custom commissions to collaborations with designers and local retailers. The versatility of reclaimed timber allows artisans to expand their offerings while maintaining a consistent aesthetic and mission. Each new project builds on the same core principles of sustainability, innovation, and craftsmanship, reinforcing the brand's identity. This scalability ensures that growth does not compromise values, allowing the business to evolve responsibly. By staying true to its eco-conscious roots, the maker positions themselves as a leader in sustainable decor, appealing to a market that continues to expand as environmental awareness grows. Ultimately, the journey from repurposed wood to riches is about redefining success in the woodwork craft world. It proves that profitability does not require exploitation or excess, but can emerge from mindful creation and respect for resources. By transforming discarded wood into high-value, handcrafted items, artisans demonstrate how sustainable practices and innovative design can coexist with financial success. This path offers a compelling blueprint for anyone seeking to build income through creativity, showing that eco-conscious home decor is not just a trend, but a meaningful and enduring business opportunity. Through dedication, artistry, and sustainability, a simple piece of reclaimed wood becomes the foundation of a thriving craft business and a more conscious way of living. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked repurposed wood to riches design ideas to build a profitable, sustainable woodwork craft business. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.